This is Kampung Ayer in the night. It looks good. So Kampung Ayer is or has a better view in the night than in the morning. So this is the Kampung Ayer. Right. So boats are actively bringing passengers to Kampung Ayer from the main island. Let's eat. Ah. So at this time, it's 6:40. The boats are actively sending passengers to Kampung Ayer. Yeah, if the boat uh, on his light, it's more better. Well, so the boat is waiting for a passenger. When I vlogged this earlier, it's daytime. So now at least you can see the night view of Kampung Ayer. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nature, Travel, and Food. I'm Junuse, vlogging here in Brunei Darussalam. I'm in the capital city of Bandar Seri Begawan. At this time the boats are still active, you know. So it's my first time to come here in the night just to see what's the activities in the night in this river in Kampung Ayer. Let's eat. Okay, so what do you call this? Fish ball from Bandar. I just don't know how much is the fee from here to Kampung Ayer in their houses. So don't forget to like my YouTube channel, Nature, Travel, and Foods. This is your blogger, Junuser from Brunei Darussalam, vlogging the Kampung Ayer night view. Last bite. Let's eat last bite of fish ball. Ah, nice. Nice food. With my last bite of fish ball. Huh? With tom yum soup. Oh, it become dark. Ah, all right. From that side. Yeah. Right. So that middle tower is actually the bridge. I don't know if I can make it bigger. Let me see. Yeah. So that's that's the bridge out there. Okay. It become the marker of Brunei Darussalam. Yeah. So the boat has passenger, and I think he's moving. Yeah. Okay. The boat goes off. Yeah. But a boat arrives. Another boat arrives. Okay. So come and go. The boats are coming in and coming out, going out. Right? So oh, it's a busy river. Passengers comes in and goes out. Right? Hello, Ibo. And the locals are friendly. Okay? Oh. No boats park. Everybody goes. Yeah. The last boat goes. I don't know if there's still some boat to come, some boats to come. See? It's a nice place to vlog even in the night. The last time I vlog here is during daytime, and I see it pretty good even during nighttime. Yeah. I think another boat is coming. Oh, it won't come here. It goes to the other side. Yeah. There you are. Oh. Huh? Actually, opposite of this this river is the Ali Saifuddin Mosque. All right, another boat comes. It's a busy Saturday night. among the boatmen. Okay, so it's quite more busy in the night, I guess, rather than daytime. Because when I vlog this in during daytime, there are seldom people coming in and out. But in the night, I can see that the boats are coming in and going out. Right? So I think this is it. So don't forget to like my YouTube channel, Nature, Travel, and Foods. Okay, so I'll be ending my blog. Okay, so this is Junuse from Brunei Darussalam, Bandar Seri Bigawan, vlogging the Kampong Ayer in the night. Okay, so hopefully I hope that you enjoy the view, and right, so I will continue to vlog about Brunei Darussalam. So another boat comes in, okay, but no passengers. I think that it is the one that left just now. Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, Nature, Travel, and Food. This is Junuse from Brunei Darussalam. Good day, God bless.